Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can fix the situation if your iPhone does not receive incoming calls. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write comments under this video. And let's get you and me started. And first of all, I recommend that you swipe to your widget center. To do that, you're going to need to swipe down from the right side from top to bottom, and make sure here that you don't have the Do Not Disturb option enabled. If you have Do Not Disturb enabled here, so no one can get through to you because you can't have incoming calls. And in order to disable this option, just click on the name and choose some other option. Also friends, next to try to fix your situation, you will need to go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down here until you see the phone. Click on it. And here you'll need to find the option when addressing calls. And here you'll need to make sure that you don't have this feature enabled. If you have it active, then just disable this feature and go back to the phone's settings menu. Next, you will need to find the Unknown Calls option. And you also need to make sure that it is disabled. If it is enabled, then disable it. This option blocks unknown numbers. And if you get a call from someone from an unknown number that you don't have subscribed, then it will reject that number. If on the contrary, you are waiting for a call from some person who is not yet subscribed with you, then you need to disable this feature. And the last thing I recommend you to check is the blocked contacts. If, let's say, you can't receive incoming signs from any particular person, then check your blocked contacts list. Perhaps the person is on that list, and that's why they can't reach you. And you will need to unblock such a person. To do that, friends, you'll need to swipe from the right side to the left side and click on the word unblock. So now the person will be able to call you easily. Friends, this is the way you can fix the situation when your iPhone is not receiving incoming calls. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.